Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Singapore style curry fish head. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll prepare the tamarind water. I have with me 1 full spoonful of tamarind. Tamarind is also known as asam. Add in 200 milliliters of hot water. Just use a fork, just spread this out a little bit and we'll let this soak for a little while. Then after that we just need to strain this and use this water. Okay, so let's just put this aside and let's prepare the rempah. For the rempah paste, we'll be using 15 pieces of dried chili, rehydrated and deseeded. If you like it more spicy, you can add a little bit more. Just put them into your blender. Add in also 20 grams of young ginger. Put them in. 4 pieces of red chili, deseeded. 5 pieces of garlic and 10 pieces of shallots. Add in also about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so that it's easier for us to blend this all together. Now if you do not want to use oil, you can always add water also. Once you're done with this, we'll cover this up and start to blend them. Now we'll just blend them. The rempah should be done. Let's have a look. It should be fine like this. Alright, now let's go and put the dish together. Now I'll dry fry my belacan using medium-low heat. I have with me over here 10 grams of belacan. No oil, no nothing, just dry roast them. Put them all in. Make sure you move them around. When the belacan starts to crumble, that means it's ready. Right, dry toasting the belacan will make this taste so much better. Using your spatula, just press it down a little bit. Remember, don't burn it. We just want to dry roast it. Now, if you do not have belacan, you can use dried shrimp. Maybe 2 tablespoons of it. Just soak it until it's a little bit soft. Then grind it or chop it up and then fry it. Of course, the taste will be slightly different, but it's still good. Okay, something like this will be good. Now we'll just remove this from heat. Using the same wok over medium heat, we'll fry our rempah now. Add in a good amount of oil. You need a little bit more oil for this. Add in your rempah. I've also added in a little bit of water into my blender so that I don't waste any of the rempah that I have inside there. Put everything in. Add in also 2 sprigs of curry leaves. This will enhance the taste. If you do not have fresh curry leaves, you can use dried ones. Add in also 2 stems of lemongrass, lightly smashed like this. Use only the white parts because the green color one is not fragrant at all. Add in the belacan that we just dry roasted. Add in also 2.5 tablespoons of fish curry powder. Now we'll fry them until the oil separates from the rempah. This will take a while. If the heat is too much or is too dry, feel free to add a little bit more oil. Add in a little bit of oil if it's too dry. We just need to fry this to a darker shade of red. If the heat is too high, just lower it down a little bit. This will take a while. I'll see you back in a while. I've been frying this for about 15 minutes and the rempah is ready now. As you can see, the oil is actually seeping through the rempah. Now we add water to it. I'm adding in 1 liter of water. For better flavor, I'm adding in 1 ikan bilis or anchovy stock cube. Put it in. Turn the heat up to medium high and let it come to a boil. In the meanwhile, we are adding our tamarind water. Strain it. You can discard the residue. We'll put the lid on and wait for this to come to a boil. I'll see you back in a while. Once the water is boiling, we'll season this a little bit. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can replace this with a teaspoon of salt. Now we're adding 1 tomato, cut into wedges like this. Put it in. 200 grams of eggplant. Put it in. 100 grams of long beans, cut into strips like this. Put it in. I'm also adding in 4 pieces of tofu puff, cut into halves. Please remember to rinse them with water, squeeze them dry first. Without reducing the heat, we'll put the cover back on and let this cook for 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes up, let's have a look. Beautiful. Now we'll add in our fish head. I'm using white snapper over here. You can use grouper, red snapper, any fresh fish. Alright, it's half a fish head as you can see from here. This cost me about $7, so it's pretty cheap. Right, and make sure that you clean it up really nice without any residue of blood. Alright, otherwise it'll be fishy. So we just slide this in. If you want to know how to clean fish head, we have a video and I'll leave it in the description box. And finally, we'll add in 5 pieces of okra or lady's fingers cut into halves like this. Just spread them around. Put the lid back on and we'll cook this for another 12 to 15 minutes depending on how big is your fish head. For ours, approximately 13 minutes will be good. I'll see you back in a while. 13 minutes is up. Let's have a look. The fish is basically cooked already. Now we reduce the heat down a little bit and add in 150 milliliters of coconut milk. Now if you like your curry to be a little bit more coconutty, you can add in a little bit more, it's fine. Give this a light stir. When the curry starts to boil, that means it's ready. And now it's time for our lunch. Beautiful. Can't wait to taste this. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Just look at how beautiful this is. Wow, look at how succulent the flesh is. Some veggie and a lot of curry on the rice. This is going to be so good. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's try this, the fish. Flaky, infused with the beautiful curry. This is really nice. Try the rice with the curry. I can easily finish 3 or 4 bowls of rice with this. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.